Are you ready?
Oh, hold on. Are mics on?
I don't know.
Yours is way to the side. Sorry. Technical difficulties.
No, cover your mouth. Technical difficulties.
Okay, there we go. Go ahead, introduce them, babe.
Holly Jolly, Merry Christmas. It's Shelly, Flash Custom Transfers. Today, we are going back to the basics and we are pressing DTF transfers. As you all know, we are the biggest DTF transfers on YouTube. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Shelly. My husband, Carl, is straight out of content. We are owner-operators of Flash Custom Transfers. Strongest transfers in the world, most durable transfers in the world, and most affordable transfers in the world. So we are going to show you how to press our transfers today. So I have two shirts here that I need to make. I have Holly Jolly Vibes, which I'm going to make first so I can put it on my second part of my video. So let's go ahead. Excuse me, chair.
Oh, you're still one-legged?
Yes. If you don't know, I got a boot, so
Got a boot.
I'm trying to maneuver around here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. This is a Gildan Soft Style. If you aren't familiar, this is comparable to Bella Canvas, but they are cheaper. Yeah. We do have a link in our description at Aviva Wholesale here in Houston. They ship all over the country, so you get those good Houston wholesale district prices.
Yep, get the Gildan Soft Style blank apparel prices, and while you're here, you might as well get the cheap gas, because yesterday I saw $2.49. Yeah, I swear to God.
That's cheap.
Where was I yesterday?
HB.
Yeah, way out there in Conroe. I saw, it was like, you had to pay cash though.
A bootleg one where you got to pay cash?
No, it was a big one. It was a big place, but you had to.
Okay, so this is Holly Jolly Vibes purchase on Etsy. We do purchase a lot of stock images, and we put on our website for free instant download. We sell this as a single as well, $6 single, and we can put it on a custom DTF transfer. We sell our 22 by 24s for $19.99. We will be having Christmas sales coming soon, so just hold on.
Can I get, while you're folding that, can I just get, since this is like a, back to basics, we kind of tell them about the product a little bit, especially if they're first-time viewers. So if you go ahead and flip that around, a lot of people ask, what is our transfer? Is it screen printing? Is it, what's the other one? Plastisol. We kind of get that one a lot. So as you guys can see, this is, and she holds it, this is DTF. So if you're not familiar with DTF, this is the film, direct to film. So the ink, which is a water-based ink, goes directly to the film. You get great high colors, as you guys can see. And then what goes on the back is a special adhesive, and that's the adhesive that makes it adhere to the apparel, but also makes it super durable.
And it is a cold peel.
And it is a cold
peel. That does make the difference in transfers.
Yes. Yes, because all the other ones are hot because they need to be activated by the heat. Yeah. Ours, or DTF, is activated by the heat, and once it adheres, you let it cool, and then that's when it binds. Hit it with that second press, which Shelly's about to show you, and bang bang, you ready to go?
Yeah, take me a picture with holding this.
Oh yeah, you're right. For the thumbnail, let's try to get a pretty one. There you go. Hold it to the side a little bit. There.
I didn't want to cover the shirt.
No, you're actually right in the middle. There you go.
Okay, so let's get her going. So Holly Jolly Vibes, of course, it's the holidays. We already got our Christmas tree. We are in the Holly Jolly Vibes spirit. So, typical, this is a 10 width, which is a typical standard size for adult. Probably from about small to extra large, I would use a 10 width. If you go extra large, probably go a little larger. That is the #1 question here at Flash Custom Transfers. What is the standard adult size? So all of our standard images on our pre-made gang sheets are 10 width. Our standard singles here that we sell individual are also 10 width, so we make them all adult standard size.
And these are hot. These are hot right now.
Yes, our Santa's favorite teacher is our #1 selling single right now.
Yes.
$6. Okay, so then we have our handy dandy Mr. Pen, which is our ruler. So typical when you're placing on a t-shirt, you like to go 3 inches down. So that will place it right, let me show you.
Okay.
That would place it about right on top of the chest right here is about 3. If you want to go 4 inches down, that will put it right in the center. So just depending on how you like your graphics. So that's just a little tip. 3 inches down is here, 4 inches down is here. Here we go. Let me get this.
Also, if you see any of this, this has nothing to do with the quality of the image. Just sometimes darker colors, you notice it's mostly on the dark. You got a little bit here on the green, but you got a little bit here on the dark. It also, darker colors have to bake longer in the oven, so you could get that type of effect. Just wanted to teach them that.
Thank you. We also have this t-shirt ruler. We can link that down in our description as well. So if you aren't too familiar with the ruler process, you can just put this adult t-shirt ruler here. It will tell you where the center, because your center is your tag. And then going down, this is their 3-inch mark. So if we want to double check that.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah. All right. So I fold it here and here. You pinch the film, not the design, so you can find your center. So we're gonna put our center with our center. Okay, so always move your t-shirt guide. Don't press the t-shirt guide. Okay, Holly Jolly Vibes says, look straight, babe.
Yeah, I can never do it straight.
I'm gonna go. You wanna go up a little bit to center the design directly under the heat press. If it's further down, you're not gonna get as much heat down here. Or at the very, very top. So the center is the best. So if you can just move the shirt up without moving the design, that'd be fantastic. Ready? Yeah. So we're gonna do 310 for 12 seconds. And I know a lot of people ask about heat press. What are good recommendations for heat presses? Any heat press, really, they pretty much do all the same thing. I do recommend a 15 by 15, if anything. The brand of heat press really doesn't matter. Heat is heat. But 15 by 15, the bigger the better. So you're able to do those hoodies and, larger sizes.
Did we say the temp?
Yeah, 310 for 12 seconds.
Okay.
We're gonna let it cool. We have this handy dandy fan. We have that link too. So I like to cool down my design with this little fan just to make the process go a little faster. These bigger images here, take a little longer to cool down versus these little thin ones here. It's literally like 10 seconds, so it's not a very long time.
Yeah, and these peel really good.
Peel like butter. Okay, ooh, look, it's already cool. Mm-hmm. You got that? You got that model shot?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So we're gonna peel this. Here we go. You see how it's kind of a tough tug, and I don't want you to get alarmed. Just, there we go. Give it a little peel. There we go. Don't be scared. It's not gonna tear. As long as it's all the way cooled, it's not gonna tear. Look, right here, how it's a little tough. Give it a little tug.
And pressed with really high pressure.
Heavy pressure. Yes, that is a #1 tip. You must have heavy pressure. A lot of people contact me. This is not sticking. This is not sticking. My temperature's right. Pressure. You need pressure to press it into the shirt.
Facts.
So let's go ahead and go.
Oh, look at those colors. Ooh. And see all those bubbles that were in the transfer, because we get a lot of people who send us pictures from the transfer and they go, something's wrong, something's wrong, something's wrong. And we're like, you just need to press it. You just need to press it. Look at that, guys. Ooh. Let's get a picture of that. That is beautiful, guys. So she hasn't even pressed it this second.
I'm gonna scoot over.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, you're hungry.
Okay, so you always want to press that second press. That second press will solidify it into the shirt, and it will make the colors pop. It will smooth out any imperfections going on with the transfer, if it was bent or anything like that. So always do that second press, 6 to 8 seconds. So let's go. Holly jolly Christmas Eve. Beep. Do we get flagged if we sing Christmas songs?
No.
Alrighty, so I'm gonna cool it down.
And see, on a big hit like this, you will feel it because it's so much material all at once. Now, you probably wouldn't feel it as much, and you can go ahead and take it off the heat press. Mm-hmm. You probably wouldn't feel it as much, and I just want to show you guys this. You wouldn't feel it as much if you were to kind of delete all of the brown and just have the letters. Mm-hmm. You wouldn't be able to do it. But again, it's still super soft, silky smooth, and it's super durable, because a lot of big hits made with other processes like a screen print transfer or something like that, it's going to want to crack as soon as you wash it. With DTF, it doesn't do that. But just real quick before Chelly goes, I just wanted to show you guys, I know a lot of people might have seen, and we get this a lot, they'll press it once and see, you don't see any white there anymore. But in the last shot, because we do this professionally so much, you might have seen like a little bit of speck of white or whatever. And that's what Chelly was saying. Chelly was saying, whenever you do that second press, any little white or little adhesive on the outside is going to be instantly melted away that second time and cleared up.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the shirt on.
Oh, we're gonna do the thingy?
Yeah, you be able to edit that?
I guess. 1, 2, 3.
Holly Jolly vibes, DTF transfers, flash custom transfers, beautiful, vibrant, strongest transfer in the world. I'm gonna give it a pull. As you guys can see, this is not cracking. This is, look at that, get in close. Not cracking, not anything. Beautiful. Messed up my shirt, but the transfer.
Just press it.
Yeah, don't do that. I'm just trying to show you that, but strongest transfer in the world.
Yeah, it's nice. Let me smooth it out.
Then you're gonna knock me over.
I'm sorry. I just wanted to touch it.
Okay.
I just wanted to touch it. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'm embarrassed. Okay, so do you want to press the second one on camera or?
No, that'll be it for this video, guys. I just wanted to make one. We're doing I know we're doing Vlogmas. We've been showing like a lot of personal things.
Put you in it.
Huh?
Come on, get in it.
I'm in it. I'm on the camera. I'm on camera.
Why you don't want to be on camera?
Because this is all about you.
Okay, go.
Yeah, so guys, so we just, yeah, there you go. They get to hear me talking and listen to you. And see you. So we know that we've been doing a lot of videos on our family and stuff like that for Vlogmas, but we wanted to just get back to the basics as we transition into 2023. And we are working on some big things, products like that, and getting them into stores and stuff like that. So hopefully we can get our Flash Custom Transfers product in a store near you. So Holly Jolly vibes, and just stay tuned for the next video because we're going to be pressing that shirt over there, that shirt, and also we're going to be telling you guys about some of these other products. All right.
Bye.